Hi guys, we're looking at a dead cat here, believe it or not. This is my new Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, which I've been trying to use for my videos, but I'd forgotten about little things like the microphones picking up noise, like when I speak too close it picks up the wind of my voice blowing over the speakers and you get interference. So I made these, well, I dropped that one on the floor, made these dead cats with foam on them. I'd intended to use something fluffy like that, but I hadn't got one of them at the time, so I put just some foam over there. That's improved things a bit, but I've been to Poundland today, got myself a keychain, which that was on the bottom of it with that stuff inside it to make a little fluffy ball. I'm going to cut that up, and I've just reprinted these end pieces. So that's for the microphone and speaker, that's the power socket, and that's the microphone socket, your external microphone. Yeah, and then at that end that's the other microphone because it's stereo. I'm having trouble doing this with one hand. And that goes in there, so I've got a little cutout to make sure it clears the cameras. And that one go on there, and then I'll cut that up and glue it over the relevant holes the same way as I did with the foam. But I had to film it with my Canon because I can't look at that and film it at the same time, can I? Physically impossible. We're now filming with the Samsung Galaxy with those foam dead cats over the microphones to stop the wind noise. So we'll now see about cutting this up and just gluing it over there. It is losing a bit of hair, which is a bit annoying. Right, we'll be generous with it. So we'll cover that. Let's cut that little bit off as well. Measure that again. I'll just super glue that straight over. Eventually the extra little bits of fluff will have finished coming out and we should be all right. Oh, that's stuck. That's better. Should be all right. Yeah, nice red fluffy dead cat. Or wind protector, windshield. I was trying to find another name other than dead cat because that sort of upsets some people. I mean, it is the professional name for it. Right, at the other end, this end, we really don't want to get it over the mic, over the camera, so it might be better to start at that end, flip it over and cut it at the other end. Start there, fold it over, and then trim it. That should do. So, will it work is the next question. All that extra fluff. Maybe messing me glue as well. Right, I'll tidy up and we'll give it a try. Well, I did want to do a test, but somebody's using a lawnmower outside, so we really can't do a sensible test. And it's only when I talk too close to the microphone that you actually get the noise I'm trying to avoid anyway, the sort of puff noise when wind blows directly over the microphone when I'm speaking. So, well, I'll try a few other videos and we'll see how we get on. I'll just pull them off again so you can see the finished articles. So that's what we've got. I could have used other colours, but I saw the red one and I thought, yeah, that'll look like fun. Job done. Right, back on. So shall we do an end screen? If I can remember how it works. Up here somewhere there'll be the recommended video by YouTube, the one they think you will like on my channel based on your viewing habits. Down here will be my channel link so you can subscribe. Up here will be my latest video, and down here will be my suitable playlist, which in this case will probably be my dead cats playlist, because I've done a few dead cats for various different cameras, like that one on my Canon. So they should be appearing any minute now, or any second now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, down there in the video description.